Hey everybody, Jonathan Storns here, Berkshire Hathaway Home Services United Properties. So with a quick market report for what we've seen happen through the first quarter and starting the second quarter. We're at the end of April 2020. We've just gone through probably the most interesting times that we've ever seen in our lives. And what I want to talk to you about today is hopefully giving a little bit of encouragement of what we actually saw happen in the real estate market going through that. So with that, when we look back at the market sector and we compare it to a year-over-year analysis, we can see that March of 2019 had more listings taken than March of 2020. It was a little bit of a downtick. Where we saw a big downturn was in late March, early April. Actually, in the showings, we use Showing Time, which is a network tracker that allows us to schedule meetings and showings through clients and other realtors. So with that, we were able to look at this data and we could see that the actual scheduled showings went down. Doesn't necessarily mean that showings went down in general, because when we look at some other data on the backside, we see that our online market presence really shot up. It means we did a lot of virtual tours, a lot of virtual showings. Where we can really see that activity was still happening was when we look at the sales data. If you look at March and April of 2019 versus March and April of 2020, it's a pretty consistent line there of actual closed transactions. That means deals are still happening. When we look at this data and we look at the listings taken, coming towards the end of April, we saw a good uptick happening in the listings. That means people are starting to open back up a little bit, they're engaging, and they're reaching out. Don't get left behind or miss out on the opportunities, because there is gonna be a lot of activity happening.